6:37, time to check the markets with Scott Crothers and Steve Nicholas. Good morning, Mr. Scott Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
Happy St. Patrick's Day to you, my friend.
Hey, same to you.
You betcha. All right, let's get a little markets talk going on here. How did we finish up yesterday?
Yesterday, the Dow was down 16 points, closed at 20,935. Now, healthcare and energy stocks sold off and took most stocks down with them. Initial jobless claims came in at 241,000. That was in line with expectations. And the JOLTS, or jobs openings report, showed over 5.5 million jobs available. There's a lot of jobs out there. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.52%.
Interesting. All right. Lots of jobs out there. What about 3M? They're in the buying mode.
They are. They are buying Scott's Safety from Johnson Controls for almost $2 billion. Now, Scott's Safety makes gas detection products, respiratory protection, and thermal imaging products. The deal is expected to close at the end of the year. So, $2 billion deal.
All right. And then financials were pretty good yesterday. I can't be hurt by this news on the overdraft fees.
No, you'll kind of like this with your financials. Bank overdraft fees hit $33.3 billion in 2016. Now, this is up 2.5% from 2015 and the highest level since 2009. Some overdraft fees are as high as $45. The average is about $30. This is a lot of money that could be better spent.
$33 billion banks charge their customers for not having enough money in their account.
Right, for overdraft fees. Because you overdraft it, so you have to really stick it to you.
Yeah, $33 billion in 1 year banks made on overdraft fees. That is a lot of money. A couple of those are mine, actually. Come to think of it. Future Fuel, what's that?
Right, Clayton Bank's Future Fuel. Now, they reported fourth quarter and full-year income. For the quarter, they made $69.4 million in revenue and made a profit of $18.7 million. For the full year, they had $253 million in revenue and made a profit of $56.3 million.
All right. And St. Patrick's Day, the market's got to be up today.
They are up. The futures look up 20 points. 20 points.
All right. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry. We just expect a light day of trading to finish out the week.
All right, good. It's because everyone on Wall Street is going to be enjoying the New York City's St. Patrick's Day parade. Scott Crothers, have yourself a good day. Maybe a little Irish whiskey or a little green beer for you and the family. And have a good day. We'll talk to you on Monday.
Sounds great. Thanks for calling.
All right, 640, Big 550 KTRS. Let me explain those bounce check fees that I commented on.
Yes.
Now, when I was in college, I had a buddy who switched banks because he was shopping for the cheapest bounced check fees. He's like, "Hey, how much does your bank charge for bounced check fees? $10." I was
Which
like,
happens a lot when you're in college.
He's like, "Mine's $15. I'm moving." So he moved his money over to my bank.
Ooh, he's saving $5.
He's saving $5. And then, of course, you have the $63 tube of toothpaste.
Oh, when you buy it,
when
you
have
like $2 in your account.
Right. When you buy it, you write a check for $3. It bounces. The store charges you $15. The bank charges $15. Then they call you up and you're like, just put it through again. You put it through again. You don't have that money either. So your $3 tube of toothpaste that you couldn't afford now is costing you $63.
I was so lucky. My brother worked at a bank when I was in college, and he replenished my account on more than one occasion.
Isn't that fraudulent?
No, I don't think so. He could get into my account.
Oh, he was putting...
He put money into my account before I would...
he wasn't putting my money into your account. He was putting his money in there.
His money.
Oh, works for a bank, and he was
yeah.
he was laundering all this money into my account. I thought that's what you were saying.
No, his own money into my account.
$33 billion in overdraft fees.
Crazy.
In 1 year. In 1 year.
Gosh.
Yeah, I'm with him. That money can be spent somewhat better.
I know.
Now, I
wonder how many of those billions are really college students. Seriously.
Well, right. Well, you know what? I mean, there's this simple, you know what? I forgot that was hitting, and then I thought today was payday, or what. I mean, there's that happens once in a while.
Right.
But the all-out, I don't have any money. I'm kiting a check for a new iPhone.
Not wise to do.
But, if it's a simple banks do a lot of this, too, though. they'll cover it, then they'll charge you, right?
Well,
so like once in a while, I'll have a check hit. Mostly people don't write checks anymore, so that's interesting too.
I don't even have any checks.
I have checks I write.
need to order
I write
some.
like 1 or 2 a month for, I don't know. I don't even know why I do that. But so it hits your account on a Thursday. The bank knows you're getting paid on a Friday, right? So it'll pay it. It'll pay the $20 check, the $30 check or whatever. And then they'll charge you the $20, $25 fee, but they'll pay it.
That's kind of sneaky.
Well, no, so...
Oh, wait,
so,
they'll pay it, but they'll charge you.
Right. I write you a check. They'll pay you the check.
Right. They'll pay your check.
Then they'll charge me the extra $15 out of my account as a fee for covering the check.
Well, I guess given the fact that you have to pay a lot more, I guess, if you overdrafted and
Right. Yeah. Well, and they also sort of look at your account and say,
Yeah.
well, money's
He's a
coming.
good-
He's a relatively decent risk.
Right.
We'll cover it and we'll gouge him.
then then they have where you can do the overdraft fee
Right.
thing. So
Yeah.
you
Which
never
is
get.
well, they charge you that for two though. But banks are making $33 million.
They
out of the
don't.
deal.
I know they don't do it out of the warmness of their heart.
644, big 550, KTRS. Galmish & Sons, ladies and gentlemen, family-run business, heating and cooling, air conditioner, furnace. You're going from the air conditioner one day to the furnace the next. Galmish & Sons. Why would you go to a corporation who pretends to be a family-run business when you can just go to the family itself? Galmish & Sons have been doing it since 1950. That's 67 years as a heating and cooling company. And maybe you have a furnace that's 60 years old, an air conditioner that's 50 years old. You're supposed to only get maybe 20 years out of it, 15 years out of it. After that, you're on borrowed time. Let Galmish & Sons help you out. They're much more energy-efficient models out there. So you can upgrade and get a new one and then save money not only on your electric bill, but have peace of mind knowing that on the hottest day of the year and the coldest day of the year, it's going to be working. Galmish & Sons, 314-993-1110 or